accomplishment team is honoring the legacy of character building is nation building. And with pride in our hearts, we present to you your sons and daughters, the graduating class of the academic year 2024-2025 in their processional march.
On behalf of the Senior High School Class of 2025, I humbly and respectfully ask for us to be officially recognized and declared as graduates who are ready to begin a new journey despite uncertainties. We hope to move forward with your blessing as we carry with us the lessons and memories our alma mater has given us.
By virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of the University of Perpetual Health System Malta and the Department of Education, I, Dr. Marjorie S. Gutierrez Tamog, Executive Vice President, confer upon you your diploma as graduates of senior high school for school year 2024-2025 with the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations, everyone. Good job. All of you guys, as you move up and onward, carry the legacy of character building, knowing that in doing so, you are contributing to nation building. Embrace the values you've learned here, strive for excellence, show grit, and always give your best, ever best effort. I'm so proud of you, Senior High School of Molino Campus. Congratulations! Parents, mabuhay po kayong lahat.